beautiful people. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we are launching off July in a really nice way with a giveaway. I'm going to be doing a giveaway every single month on my channel, so make sure that you do hit subscribe and turn that notification bell on so that you are notified of all my future giveaways too. Throughout this month and continuing on with my channel, we're going to be uploading on Wednesdays, Fridays and Sundays at 6 o'clock UK time, so don't forget to hit subscribe so that you don't miss out on any future videos as well. So like I said, we're going to be launching with a giveaway. This one has some unreal prizes in. I'm so excited to show you. So the first thing that you can win, this is the Instant White Teeth Whitening Set. I've got a full video of me trying this out. I will leave it linked down below if you want to go check it out. But this is the Instant White Cocoa Bright White Light Activated Teeth Whitening System. So it comes with the gel and the teeth guards and also obviously the teeth whitening lamp as well. So that is in this month's prize. We also have some Studio, what are these? Nails 3-piece dual-sided cushioned nail files and buffers. So basically it's a huge set of nail files and buffers from Superdrug. And as always in my channel, I always do a giveaway prize in a bag. That's just how it rolls on this channel. So this one is a Beach Please bag, just looks like this. So first up inside the bag is a Benefit Flawless Brightening Foundation sampled in the shade 4 for you to have a little try. We also have a Rollerball perfume from Zoella. This is the Apricot and Peach one. We have some nail files, a little mini set of nail files. We have a Makeup Revolution Retro Luxe Metallic Lip Kit. This one is in the shade We Rule, so it comes with the metallic lipstick and also the lip liner. And we have a couple of bath products in here as well. So we have this cute little bath petal, which is so nice. And then also this little bath bomb, little pink and white bath bomb. I think it's a Soap and Glory one actually. And we have some little nail stickers, just looks like this, some gold ones with black dots on. And then last but not least in this one we have a little handheld like little pocket mirror for your handbags. If you'd like to be in the chance of winning this giveaway, all you have to do is subscribe to this YouTube channel, give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below and let me know what videos you'd like to see on my channel. I'm planning a full month in advance now, so I can make sure that I'm putting out some good content for you. So let me know down below what would you like to see in my channel, what would you like to see more of. Let me know down below. You can enter as many times as you want. The only requirement for the comment is that it is something that you would like me to do a video on. The more specific the comment, the better, so I know exactly what you want me to do. However, you have to put in the comment some way for me to contact you, and preferably Instagram or Twitter, somewhere that I can like kind of personal message you to let you know that you've won, so that I can get your address to be able to send you the prize. This is going to be UK based only. Just with it having like the teeth whitening set and stuff in, I am going to do this just for UK based. So if you would prefer to enter an international giveaway, if you live outside of the UK, don't forget to hit subscribe and check back for my future giveaway to have the chance of entering that one. Like I said, you can enter as many times as you want down below. Every single comment does count as an entry. If your entry gets picked and you haven't put some way of me getting in touch with you, some kind of social media or anything like that, then I will skip your comment and pick the next person. So make sure you put in your comment a way for me to get in touch with you. So the giveaway starts today, Wednesday the 1st of July, and it will end on Friday the 31st of July. I wish you all the best of luck and I can't wait to read your comments. If you want to have a little bonus entry, please come join my Facebook group called Luce's Ladies. The link is down below, and please come follow me on Instagram as well and let me know that you've came from this video so I can put you down as a bonus entry. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll hopefully see you in my next video, which will be Friday for a foundation Friday. More to come on Friday. Bye guys.